Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can fix WhatsApp notifications in the Samsung Galaxy F34. So at the start, always check your DND mode, so open the top menu, expand icons and swipe to the right. Now make sure that you have this feature deactivated, then not the stir mode. After that, hold the finger on the WhatsApp icon and choose eye icon. Now tap on the notifications, of course you have to switch it on. Turn on the allow sound and vibration and all of the notification types, like here. After that, go to the in-app notifications and make sure that you have high priority notifications in this place and here. In the next step, go to the mobile data and turn on the background data usage and allow data usage with data saver. If you still don't have your notifications, you can also try to reset your app, so go to the storage and tap on the clear data. Tap on the delete, and after that log in again to the WhatsApp account and look for your notifications. In the next step, try to reset your network settings, so go to the settings, choose the general management and swipe to the reset. Tap on the network settings, tap on this button again and again. In the last step, try to upgrade the system, so go to the settings, choose the software update and tap on the download and install. If you have any, of course install it, and that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.